Hi guys, my name is Justin Lake, and this is my second attempt at an introductory video for AEP 859. I submitted one last week on like Wednesday or Tuesday, and apparently it was unviewable. I didn't notice it until I looked at my grade yesterday for Module 1. Tried to do it at school during a break, and apparently using one of the Chromebooks that the students use out of the library, some type of firewall or something, I don't know. I couldn't figure it out, so I'm doing it again. So I currently teach elementary PE and high school weights for the Sherwood Cass R8 School District in Creighton, Missouri. I also coach football, basketball, and track for the high school. This is only my second year here. My wife and I moved out to the country out here, so I found a job closer. But previously I worked for 7 years in Turner in Kansas City, Kansas. I'm originally a Kansas boy. I'm a huge Chiefs fan. Go Showtime Mahomes. I'm a huge Royals fan. Big KU fan, ready for basketball season to get going on. I graduated from Baker in 2010, where I also played football there. And I've been working in education and coaching ever since. I'm really excited about this course because I've done some curriculum planning for elementary PE in my old district. Did some vertical aligning stuff with the middle school. They wanted to know, or they told us where they wanted the kids to be when they got to them. So me and the other 4 elementary PE teachers kind of got to plan our own curriculum of what needed to be accomplished in K, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, all the way up. So once they got to 7th grade and they were in middle school, they were ready for what the middle school was going to ask of them. I've also pretty much developed my entire weights program here at this school that I'm at now, Sherwood. So I have some experience with it, but I would like to learn more in more of the core classes and things different than related to PE, I would say. My long-term goals, I would like to get an assistant principal job with an AD title attached to it. I would love to be able to influence all the sports in my schools and try to make whatever school I work at a sports powerhouse and be known for their sports, because I think when there's great success in athletics, it translates into great success in academics, and also just gives the school a good reputation overall, and people know about you more. And finally, I'm looking forward to being a sponge and soaking up all the information we learned from this course and working with all the rest of you. So again, I'm sorry for this late video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.